Hey guys, Jason with CV Custom. So we're back here, back on the 56. We actually did some pressure washing, you'll see in the video. So here's what happened. I was actually working on a video for getting the bed ready. We were doing some sandblasting on the fenders. We're getting it over to paint. You'll have a link in description. He's already working on it. I can't finish that video. I'm using my little sandblaster and it keeps really screwing up on me. I haven't used it in a long time. I usually use just the big one, and I will use the big one on the main part of the bed, but for the fenders I thought, oh, the little one will be fine. It keeps breaking, so I keep fixing, and then it's just slowing down everything. But we've got some other things going on in the 56. We're getting the cab ready so we can start putting in the drivetrain and all that fun stuff. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm getting that video ready. You guys check it out. Hope you like it. I think the truck looks really cool. Honestly, kind of the way it is, but I can't do every build that way. If I do every build that way, then it's just like, hey, I'm gonna make this thing run and pressure wash it and let's check it out. This one's getting the works, man. We're doing everything, so hope you guys stay tuned. Like, subscribe, notification, do all those things you gotta do so that you get to see the build. Hallmark truck. It's for my wife. Check it out. Oh, and well, the next video I might actually finish the fenders, the bed preparation for the painter. But on the following video, I'm going to tell you guys what engine won. So if you haven't voted yet, go over to the community tab and vote for what engine you want in this truck. We got a little thing going on, so let me know what you think. There's one that's winning right now. That's probably going to be what we do, unless enough of you guys vote. So go vote in the community tab. I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay guys, at this point, I'm going to start taking apart the cab. I do need to keep the cab itself on the truck, and I need the front clip, because the front clip will come on and off a few times when we do the engine. Again, the engine will be the next video, because that'll be kind of when I tell you what engine won. But the front clip's going to come on and off, getting the radiator right, getting the engine where I want it, doing all that fun stuff. But for right now, for the painter, I've got another 56, so the best parts are going to go to him to get painted. I don't know that this hood is the best hood. We might steal the hood off the other 56. I don't know. But I will still have a hood to check clearances and things like that. But we can get the doors in. I don't need the doors for this part of the project. I also don't need anything in the cab, so we're going to start stripping it down. While we're doing it, I'm going to be taking notes of parts we're going to need, seal kits, you know, like do the wiper motors work. We're going to have to check all that stuff. So right now, we'll open this thing up, start taking it apart. Probably to make it just that much easier for me, I'm going to take the doors off first, and then I'll be working in and out of the cab with the doors off. So we'll get those off and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so yeah, I guess back up a little bit. The doors are off. Another thing I do, I normally use boxes. I just had this, so I keep all the door hardware. It's going to be separate. We do replace the hardware, but it's good to know all your thread pitch and all that stuff. Just makes things simpler. So what we're going to do now is, we did throw some of the axle parts, which again we'll put in a box labeled axle parts. I don't throw anything away until the build's done. So we're going to get all the stuff off the floor. I'm going to remove the seat and probably pull this old rubber out. And then what we'll do is we'll pressure wash the cab, and we'll be able to see what the floorboards and everything look like. So let's get to that. Okay guys, got the seat out. I like to sweep everything up for a couple of reasons. Sometimes you find some old coins, which we actually did find an old coin. I'll show you guys that in a second. But we also found some other really neat stuff. We are going to go over to the pressure washer and see how bad the flooring is. There's some cancer over there, but it's on a backing plate. So one of the other trucks might actually have a plate that's in better shape. But we do see daylight right over here too. So let's take a look at what we found. We actually found one of the horn buttons. So, and it doesn't look damaged or anything. This thing will clean up. We can paint the IH in it. This is the other thing, which is really cool. Pepsi Cola. I just kind of cleaned it off to see how bright it would be. It looks really neat. This will go on the shelf, and it's, you know, fairly straight for the age. So now the coin, let's walk around. So we've got both doors off now. coin is a penny. Nothing real special. Let me see if I can show you the date. 1969. This is a 57, so sometimes you get lucky. This really isn't one of the real valuable ones. There are certain quarters that are worth a lot of money if you find them, and a lot of times underneath the mat is where you're going to find them. But there you go. And you can see that it's a like a floorboard plate there. So we've got the 56 and the 50. We know the 56 will fit if it's in better shape. The 50 might also still fit if it's in better shape. We'd have to look into that. But that one's really rough. We can fix it, but we're going to see if we've got a better one. And let's go pressure wash it. So we'll let it dry. We'll take a look at the damage. Okay, so she's dried up. Oh, let's see what we got. Pretty easy to see. We got some stuff there. It's there too. Oh. Well, looks like we got some work to do. We need to get the dash out, get the steering column out, do all that crap. But it really looks like we just have some sheet metal work to do. I think we'll readdress the cab when we're ready to get it off and sandblast it. Right now, honestly, I think it looks pretty good. Still more work to do. I think the truck looks sweet. See Super Service in the back. She's got some new stuff coming, so that's pretty cool. So, alright guys, make sure you hit that notification so that you see when all these things are coming. I'm going to do my best to do one a week, especially on this truck. We need to get it done. We got some goals for this thing. It's going to be a neat build. So, see you in the next video.